Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in to Chatting with Chels. Today's video is going to be a wash and go. Look at them curls, look at them curls. Okay, so I started off with freshly washed hair, and you all know I wash my hair in sections. It smells so good. Y'all look at my edges thinning out. Oh, postpartum is a beast. Okay, so just showing y'all that the curls are still there even with just washing. Them edges is gone, but I'm gonna start off by parting my hair into the position that I want a part to be, how I want the curls to lay. So that's basically what I'm doing. I don't know why I parted it right there, because I wound up wearing it down the middle anyway, but that is where I wanted it to be, so I'm just trying to get that part precise. But you'll see at the end of the video that it wound up being the middle part, because I didn't like how much hair was laying there. So this wash and go tutorial, it actually has changed. My wash and go routine has actually changed. I have found this new product and it is bomb, so I am going to give y'all a tutorial using this new product that I found, but I just still wanted to post this one sharing what I have used in the past. Okay, so as y'all can see, I started in the back. You want your hair to be nice and wet, so you will need a towel. So I use my spray bottle, and I'm going to basically drench the hair. That's why I had to layer my towel. I'm going to drench that section of hair because I want it to be nice and wet, because this is a wash and go. Then I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. I love this brand, and rose water is just good for your hair as well. So I'm going to go in with this leave-in conditioner. I'm going to saturate it. Then this right here is the magic potion. This is Uncle Funky's Curl Stimulator. Oh my goodness. When I say this is the best product that I have ever used. Oh my god. Now, putting that on there, it's like a little gel kind of feel. And just look at what them curls do. So sometimes I like to finger pull them one by one, or you could just rake it all through there. Some people use a dimming brush. In certain sections of my hair I do use a dimming brush because I have different textures all throughout, but this is my favorite products. I get the best results out of them. So I'm going to go in with some water, because you can see my hair has dried up a little bit. I'm going to saturate the hair with water, and then I'm going to go in with a few pumps of leave-in conditioner. I'm going to put that all throughout the hair because you want the hair to stay nice and moistured. And then I'm going to back door, and I got to get all of this product out of this bottle, because one, the product is not cheap. Two, the product is so doggone good. See, as soon as I put it on there, look what them curls do. They just bind together and just, ugh. This is the best product, y'all. Look at them curls. You see how luscious they looking now? They weren't like that before. Yes, man. That product loves my hair, and I love it for loving me, because it loves all of me. And then I just go in with a little dimming brush for the texture. I mean, but the fingers does the trick. I love the fingers. The fingers work just like a curl. A comb is what I mean. So I think y'all pretty much got the gist of what I do. Water, leave-in, Uncle Funky's, rake it through there, let it touch every piece of that hair, and look at those curls just start to pop. I suggest doing this in small sections because that's where you get the most definition at. So go in small sections, take your time. It's a wash and go, it'll last. I probably say if you take care of it, you can possibly get maybe 10 days out of it. Then you'll have to go into a pineapple, but we love a good pineapple. Whatever I was watching was good. Oh, you know what I was watching? I was watching that Kevin Hart movie, True Story. It's good, y'all. It's real good. Me and Bud was watching it. I'm my lips so big? That's where more get it from. Lip just hanging. But look at them curves just popping. That's what we like to see. So make sure y'all do it in small sections. Y'all know them trouble spots that your curls don't always be popping at. So you want to give that a little extra love. I love that little dollar brush. I use that in the shower sometimes when I'm washing my hair. Just go around your finger, help you detangle the ends. I love that little brush. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I've put in all of my products. As you can see, it's still a little frizzy. So I'm going to sit under dry and I'm going to let all those products set into my hair. But like I said, I have a new video that's going to be coming out. I found a product that tames the frizz. So guys, this is the finished result after it's all dry. Just picked up a little bit, just laid my edges. This is it. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Say hi, baby. Because she's going to be a curl girl soon, too. Thanks for watching.